How to turn on a professional account on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to switch your account to creator or business mode on Android. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device and tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From there, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu. After that, tap on Settings and scroll down until you find Account Types and Tools. At this point, tap on Switch to Professional Account to begin the process. From there, you'll be asked to choose a category that best describes your account. Scroll through the list and select whichever fits you best. Following this, you'll also see a toggle to display your category on your profile. Turn it on or leave it off, depending on your preference. After that, tap Next to move forward. From here comes the most important step. You'll be asked to choose between Creator and Business. At this stage, select whichever option suits you. Creator is great for influencers and content creators, while Business works better for brands and companies. Once done, Instagram will walk you through some additional setup options. You can go ahead and skip these for now if you want to come back to them later. Finally, go back to your profile and pull down to refresh. You should now see the professional dashboard appearing on your profile, which confirms your account has been successfully switched over. That's how you turn on a professional account on Instagram. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!